Yeah guys, I've installed this motorized pop-up outlet yesterday and used it already a couple of times, and it has been working absolutely awesome. You can see it looks like it's produced in 2 different colors. I have the white one, and it's a huge upgrade for me regarding style, convenience. Everything works super reliable. By the way, I got this device for free from the seller to show you all the really nice details and how it works, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. Yeah, it's actually a 9-in-1, so we have 4 different USB ports, 2 times USB-C and 2 times USB-A. USB-C can deliver up to 45 watts and up to 20 volts, so we can also charge, for example, a lot of laptops with that. That's absolutely amazing. On top of that, we have 4 3-prong 110 volt outlets to power normal AC devices. Also very positive that we have a very high power rating of 1875 watts, and as a really nice bonus extra on top we have the wireless charge, and it's not just a normal charge, it's even a fast 15 watts wireless charge. And I've already tested that with my watch, with my earbuds and with my phone, and it worked absolutely awesome. Super reliable, instantly, no buttons to press, really nothing to do, just put it on top of it, no matter if it's in the recessed function, like flat on the desk, or it's fully pushed up, or even something in between. Yeah, it's super easy to push it up just with a double push. And while it's on the way up, you can stop it at any time with a single push. And if you want, you can continue with just a single push again. And from the fully extended state, we have same thing. So we can double push to let it fully go down, and on the way down, we can interrupt that with a single push or continue again with a single push. So super easy, we don't have to use separate functions, no remote control needed, nothing. Super clean, sturdy, beautiful installation. We can also use the outlets single-handed, so you don't have to hold the outlet with your other hand. You can really push, like for example, the USB plugs with just one hand and remove them again. It's so solid, and the installation was super easy. Everything comes pre-assembled, and we can feel the quality, for example, also with the cord, which is super thick, super stable. Comes with a large solid nut which you can use to secure it from underneath the desk. Of course, best is to use a hole saw, but if you're not using them very often, you don't have to buy one extra, specifically in this size. I've been using just a normal drill and then used the jigsaw, protected a little bit the desk, and everything worked absolutely perfect. Also awesome that the cover plate is a little bit larger, of course, than the center, so it can also cover perfectly some imperfections which you cause while drilling the hole. The absolutely fantastic device, a huge upgrade for me, so much nicer, so much more beautiful and more convenient for me. Everything has been working so far really good, except from one thing which scared me a little bit. I mean, it's not a total showstopper, of course. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy it. You just have to be a little bit careful, and that's when you put something on the wireless charging plate. Sometimes when you put something there, it will also trigger the whole device from pushing up or going down. Pushing up, not so much of a problem, but imagine you have something plugged in, for example, a sensitive USB plug, and then you put something to wireless charge on top of it, and then it goes automatically down while the USB plug is still there. I don't know what would happen. I guess it has some protection built in. I mean, we also have some electronic protection against overcurrent, overheating, over whatsoever. So I guess it would stop then. I have never tested that, but I would definitely be careful and only use the wireless charge while it's flat with the desk, and don't use it when it's pushed up. But that's the only problem or only restriction I found so far. Other than that, it makes a really good impression. Love this thing so much better than before. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this motorized pop-up outlet, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.